Question 15. This is part C. Don't worry if it doesn't look too much like the one in your exam. I've had to make a couple of changes so I could fit it all onto one page here. This is the bit we're after. When they were married, there were more women than men aged under 25 and more women than men aged 50 and over. Tick the correct box. Is that true, false, or not enough information? So we'll look at the first bit first. More women than men aged under 25. Well, there are clearly 21,000 men aged under 25 from this table at the top. So I'll just write that down. 21,000 men. Let me just look at the histogram to work out how many women. Well, using the key, that's 20,000, so roughly that's 20,000, 40,000, so 40,000, maybe 40 in a little bit, but roughly 40,000 women. So that would make that true, more women than men aged under 25. Second part, more women than men aged 50 and over. It's 29,000 men, again using that first table. Now, got a bit more work to do with the histogram here. We're looking for the number of women in this bracket of 50 to 100. Now, each of these little miniature squares is going to be 0.4. So if I multiply that by the class width, then that's going to give me the total number of people within that group. So frequency density, which is 0.4, multiplied by the class width, which is 50, tells me that there must be 20,000 people, 20,000 women in that group. Now, if there are 20,000 women and there are 29,000 men, then this statement must be false, because it says more women than men aged 50. Well, it's actually less women than men, so it must be false. Let's go and give a reason. Because only 20,000, sorry. Only 20,000 women aged 50 and over got married, compared to 29,000 men.